The AAC Consideration Toolkit is designed to help you take the first steps in exploring augmentative and alternative communication, or AAC, for a student you support. It's completely free to use for professionals working with students in Minnesota from preschool through transition age. This video will go over how to apply to receive one of the kits. All of the information that we are sharing today can be found on the Minnesota STAR program website at mn.gov/STAR, STAR, in the section titled Resources.
The AAC Consideration Toolkit contains a selection of AAC devices shipped directly to you for trial use with your student. Along with the devices, the toolkit provides an 8-week step-by-step plan, engaging activities and strategies to try in real-world settings, data and outcome forms to track progress, and together these resources can help you and your team determine whether a student can benefit from AAC and if a formal AAC evaluation is the next step.
The first step in the process is to fill out the application form. This is an important first step because it ensures that the AAC tool or AAC Consideration Toolkit is used in the right way with the right supports in place. By completing the application, you confirm your student's eligibility. Check that the student is an appropriate candidate for the AAC Consideration Toolkit and that the appropriate supports are in place. It allows you to match the right tools to the right student. The application asks you to consider the student's needs, skills, environments, partners, and challenges as it relates to communication. Then it helps match you to the appropriate tools to try with your student.
It also helps you prepare your team to identify who will be involved in supporting the trial, from teachers and speech-language pathologists to families. It also helps you set a plan for success. Gathering baseline information ahead of time makes it easier to utilize the kit once you receive it. You will now have a clear idea of the student's needs and skills, what environments and partners should be involved in the process, and what tools will be the most appropriate to try. In short, the application isn't just paperwork. It's the foundation for a thoughtful, structured, and supportive AAC trial.
Absolutely. There are 3 sections to the application. In the first section, student overview, you will list student demographics without any identifying information. You will identify team members who will be involved in the consideration process. In section 2, you'll complete the SET framework. By working through this framework, you'll identify the student's strengths and needs, the environments where the communication will take place, tasks the student needs to accomplish, and the tools or features that may best support them.
And if you don't know the student's exact skill level or need, go ahead and fill in the answers to the best of your and your team's ability. There will be plenty of time during the consideration period to gather this information.
And the final section in the application is AAC feature matching. Here you will identify the devices that you want to start with when you receive the kit. Once you've completed the application form, save it for your records and refer to it during the student's trial. Next, you'll want to go to the Minnesota AT for All website at mn.at4all.com to request the toolkit for an 8-week trial.
And then in the search bar, type AAC Consideration Toolkit and select the kit that's located closest to you. And if all the kits are currently checked out, you can be added to a waiting list, and a team member from STAR or their partner agency will contact you with the next steps.
So, like what you hear, you want more information, please contact us at the STAR program. Our telephone number is 651-201-2640, or you can certainly email us at star.program@state.mn.us.